Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Greetings to all of us. Thank you to Ms. Mega Asrizona, SE MSc, for taking the time to watch the critique suggestion video from Group 7. With myself, Maitisia Tera Cantika, with student ID number 240591115, with my colleges.
Yohala Putri Kirana, with student ID number 240590059.
Milatul Hasanah, with study ID number 24059074.
Nadila Putri Listika, with student ID number 240590032.
We from Group 7 would like to provide some constructive feedback on the report, PPT, and also the Deeper Barbershop presentation video that has been compiled by Group 8. The first part is criticism and suggestion on the Deeper Barbershop report. Here are the comments from our group. Overall, the proposal prepared by the Deeper Barbershop team has covered various important aspects needed in a business plan. Each section is organized systematically so that it's easily understood by the reader. Secondly, in terms of writing, its report has been organized quite neatly and consistently. The type and size of the letter used have also been in accordance with the applicable writing provisions and supporting the readability of the contents of the documents. Third, the logo used in this proposal looks attractive and has good aesthetic value. More than that, the logo is able to represent the identity and characteristics of the barbershop business being run. 4. The capital allocation and details of operational and investment costs are structured and clear. The presentation of financial information in tabular form is very helpful in providing a comprehensive and easy to understand picture. Finally, the image included in this report have been appropriately selected and relevant. The presence of these visual elements adds value to the presentation of information, making the report more interesting and communicative.
Thank you for the preparation of this report, which has been quite well prepared and informative. However, there are several things that we believe can still be improved so that this report becomes more comprehensive and robust in supporting decision making. Some of our inputs are as follows. The first is competitor analysis and market position. We note that this report has not presented an in-depth analysis of the competitive map and market position of the double barbershop market. We recommend that this section be supplemented with data and evaluation of key competitors in the industry to provide a more complete picture of market condition. This will be very helpful in formulating a more targeted marketing and business development strategy. Next, the employee training plan. Employee training plans shall be explained in more detail, including the frequency of implementation, the topic or training materials, and the goals to be achieved. A more systematic elaboration will clarify the contribution of the training program to improving the quality of service and human resource competence. The third is innovation of new product and service. We also note that there are no detailed plans for the development of new product or service on a regular basis. It is recommended to develop short and medium-term innovation strategies to maintain customer loyalty and expand market potential. It is also important to maintain business competitiveness in an industry that continues to grow. Then the fourth is the market risk section writing format. In the market risk section on page 17, we note that there is only one point of discussion, but it is still numbered. To maintain consistency in the writing format, we recommend that numbering be omitted if only one point is presented, so as not to give the impression that another point is missed. Furthermore, the margins of this report are still not in accordance with scientific writing standard, which affect the neatness and professional impression of the document as a whole. Suggestion: it is recommended that the margins be adjusted to the standard of scientific writing, which is 4 cm of the left side and 3 cm each on the top, right, and bottom sides, so that the report looks more structured and easy to read. The text on page 3 has not been aligned left and right just TV, so it looks less visually neat. And finally, the subpoint on page 6 to 7 look to indent to the right, which affects the other lines of the document layout. Suggestion: it is recommended that the subpoint indentation setting be adjusted so that the appearance of the document becomes more balanced and neat, and makes it easier for readers to understand the structure of the content.
We would like to make some comment and suggestion regarding the PowerPoint presentation from Dapper Barbershop. In general, this PPT was well organized and looked neat. In addition, all the important information contained in the report has been fully covered in the slide. The information presented can also be understood well. However, there are some things that we think need to be improved so that this presentation can be more interesting and effective. First, in the term of visual design, presentation seems less attractive. To improve visual effect, we suggest using a variety of color and font, while still maintaining readability. In addition, the addition of visual elements, such as a relevant image and icon, can also help clarify the content of the material and make the slide more dynamic. Secondly, we also found some slide content information that is too dense. This can make it difficult for the audience to capture the essence of each point present. Therefore, we suggest that the information in the slide be rendered in a short and clear bullet point format. That way, the message to be conveyed can be more easily understood and remembered by the audience. Third, the design theme used done fully reflect the character of the business, which is barbershop. It would be better if the theme used is more masculine, professional, and according with the image of the business, in order to support overly brand identity. Finally, in the human resource management section, we see that the title writing is not consistent because not all of them are capital letter according to writing rules. For a neater and more professional look, all titles should be written in consistent format, such as untitled case.
In our opinion, the delivery of information in the Dapper Barbershop presentation video can still be improved, especially in terms of delivery variation. The intonation of the voice used sounds less dynamic so that it seems monotonous, which can reduce the attractiveness and attention of the audience. In addition, the one-way delivery without actively involving the audience makes the video less interactive. At the end, the closing or conclusion has also not been conveyed clearly, so that the core message is not conveyed strongly. Therefore, we suggest that the delivery of information in the video be made more varied with the use of more dynamic voice intonation, so that the audience remains interested and focused. It would be better if the presentation is also structured in a more interactive manner to encourage audience engagement. At the end of the video, we also suggest that the conclusion or closing is delivered firmly and clearly so that the main message of the presentation can be more easily remembered by the audience.
This is all the criticism and suggestion from our group for Group 8. We apologize if there are any mispronunciations of words, and thank you to Ms. Zona for taking the time to watch our video. We have to end it.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.